Y'all, it's early. I just started the coffee. Morgan's in the shower. And I used this like curler, heatless curl thing from Amazon. And it was literally $6. I'm about to see how this looks. But I feel like this turned out honestly great. It's a little poofy. I feel like my hair is like a little bit short for this.
Okay, in a huge hurry, I just started the dishwasher, so I'm sorry. I'm just wearing this Amazon top. This is really one of my favorite Amazon work purchases. I have it in 3 colors, although I want to look and see what colors they have now because one of the colors is this like royal blue and I literally never wear it. It has like this little tie that you can adjust. It like buttons. It has like this little half collar. Like it's just cute. It's just a cute top. It's easy to wear. I kind of want it in more neutrals. I already have it in black, but I wore it last week and it's dirty. But yeah, this is how the hair turned out. So literally all I did was straightened the ends and this is what it looks like. Like, are you kidding? This is so cute. This is better than when I do my hair with a curler. I'm shook. And it cost me $6 and hardly any heat. I mean, I know I'm straightening my ends, which is not great, but at least it's not my whole head. Yay! Okay, so also I've got ice. Iconic Protein. I brought it a second because I didn't know if this one had enough, but it did. So this is the cafe latte one. I'm gonna add in my double espresso in there. And then I've been really liking this Oatly oat milk barista edition. And I just do the teensiest of splashes. And it just makes it a little more creamy. It's really good. So just a little bit more. Morgan and me were both using this last week, and I think I'm gonna buy it again because he wanted the Cinnabon this week. And I thought we'd have more of this, but we really don't. It's almost the end of it. So, starting our day with about, probably a little over 10 grams of protein, 140 calories plus, I don't know, 20 calories. Or no, sorry, 70 because we only use about half. So it's about 100 calorie coffee and it's so good. But I've got to run to work. I also am just wearing some like dark denim skinnies with the roll. And then these are the shoes also from Amazon. Amazon has the best work mules. I don't care who you are. $40 mules, $40 like work shoes that you don't have to break in. Like they're so comfortable. There's no break-in time. Nordstrom could never. Dillard's could never. Aldo, like they just can't do it, and Amazon does it. So I'll link my favorite work shoes for you down below if you're interested, because the ones, I mean, there's not a shoe that I wear to work that's not from Amazon, except for a pair of like sandals I got at TJ Maxx. But work shoe, like professional shoe, all of them are from Amazon and they're all so freaking good. Okay, gotta run. Hey y'all, so it is lunchtime. I did plan a lunch for the week. However, I thought me and my dad were gonna go to lunch today, and as we were walking out, he gets a call and someone from our other office is in town that he hasn't seen in a long time, so he's gonna go have lunch with them, which is totally fine. And I could have gone if I wanted to, I just didn't want to. Sometimes, like, I just don't want to have lunch and talk about work the whole time, you know what I mean? And that's what it would be, and I just, like, am not in the mood. So I'm gonna go make some Amazon returns, gonna return some stuff, and then for lunch, I was thinking, like, okay, well, what are we gonna have now that our plan is not the same? And I think I've decided on Whataburger for their Cobb salad. Hopefully they have the Cobb salad on the menu because I think it's kind of new. I'm not sure. But I looked it up because after I looked up which UPS I was gonna go to, there's a Whataburger right there, and I thought, okay, that will work. I want to obviously hit my calories, get some protein in, and I have some Italian dressing at the office already that I brought last week, so I'll just get, I don't know, dressing on the side or no dressing, and then add my own. And it looks like the calories for the salad, I'm gonna get the grilled chicken Cobb, is going to be about 430 calories, and then I'll add probably 100 calories of dressing, which is like 4 tablespoons. Maybe I'll add 6. We'll see. But that's the plan. So Cobb salad with light Italian dressing that I already have at the office. And also why I wanted to go to Whataburger is to get a Coke Zero or a Diet Dr. Pepper. We'll see. But yeah, it's Monday. You know what I mean? It's Monday. Also, I really love these glasses, but sometimes I feel like with my hair, like parted down the middle, I look a little bit like Elton John or like the Beatles. Like, I don't know. It's giving something and I don't know it's what I want to give, but I do love these, and all of my like actual real life friends, like 3 of them who obviously follow my Louise Lane Instagram also, because I have a personal account obviously that I keep private, but they follow my Louise Lane account and they all bought them whenever I shared them. So they must be cute if my friends would be like, Lauren, those are hideous. So got the Whataburger Cobb salad with grilled chicken. It's gonna be great. I need to check the protein. I only looked at the calories. There's something about that first sip of Coke. Oh, so good. Oh God, it's so good. Whataburger is one of those restaurants that has great Coke. Hey y'all, so I just did my hot girl walk on the treadmill. I'm really liking the outfit I'm wearing. This, I think I showed this in a previous video. I showed it on my Instagram, I don't remember. But I got this top from Amazon and it is cropped, but I like that it's a little bit longer. It does like meet my leggings. So I'm a big fan of that. I will say, I think it runs a little small. This is the XL, and I mean, it couldn't be any snugger, if you know what I mean. But it also has a cute back, so I'll show you that in the mirror. But I did 34 minutes, 33 minutes, trying to do 30 minutes every day in August. So that's the goal. And it's going to be hard because I have a couple weekend trips here and there. Actually, next weekend and the weekend after, I have trips. But I think I'm not leaving until Saturday, and then I'm coming back on Sunday for both trips. So I should be able to do Saturday morning, Sunday night. Just got to push through. And tomorrow, I really want to do 6 a.m. for a 30-minute walk. I got my greens in. I switched to the Bloom, but I just don't like them as much. I think it's the stevia. I know that's probably better for you, but I just don't like the flavor as much. So I'm gonna see if Morgan likes those. And I'm gonna go back to One Up Nutrition. I love these. And Sophie over at Sophie Marie D, works with them now and has a code. So you can use the code, I believe it's Sophia D, for 20% off. And then also make an account if you do get it, because you'll earn points. And like this last time I got 20% off with her. And then I also redeemed some points. So I got an extra $5 off. So for a $54.99 for usually, if you use 20% off, it becomes like $41. And then I got $5 off. So I spent like $36 for greens, and it'll last me, usually exactly a month, sometimes a little bit over a month, but this time I got passion fruit. I usually get the guava. That's the one I've gotten, I think I've had it 3 times. This is my 4th bottle. And I do love the guava. It's still my favorite, but I tried the passion fruit in a sample, which speaking of, I didn't even get my samples out of this order, and I really liked it. So I thought, let's switch it up. So I love, you can pick 2 freebies every time you order with them, and I love it because you can try different proteins, you can try greens and reds, whatever you want. It's really cool. So I got the greens and reds mixed berry, and then also the lemonade specifically for Morgan. I thought he might like the lemonade flavor, so we'll let him try those maybe tomorrow. And I think I'm gonna film again tomorrow if I'm gonna do a 6 a.m. wake up call, right? Need someone to be accountable to, and y'all are always solid for that. So anyways, I think we're making sheet pan jambalaya tonight. I will show you all that video, or not that video. I will show you all that meal when we make it. I kind of want to change, but I also kind of want to stay in this outfit because I thought maybe I would get back on later. Maybe? I don't know. Sometimes I want to do like an after dinner walk. So I might just stay in this for now, but let me show you the full fit because I'm feeling hot fire flames right now. Let me just tell you. Okay, you literally can't see. But I'm wearing these Lululemon leggings that Morgan got me for Christmas. Oh yeah, look at the back. Isn't that the cutest freaking thing? I'm obsessed. It's so fun. But yeah, this comes up a little bit, but like when I was on the treadmill, I was able to keep it down. I mean, I'm at home. I literally would do this in a sports bra. I don't care. But just walking on the treadmill, I was able, like I only had to adjust it maybe 2 times. So if you're a walker or a gym goer, and you want to wear like a cute crop top, but you want not too much midriff or none at all, highly recommend this shirt. It's a good length. So I wish they would make more this length or even just 1 inch longer. So it just goes all the way to the belly button. So it's cropped, but it's not like a sports bra. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, okay, enough chatter for now. And I'll catch up with you guys when we start making dinner.
All right, so yeah, right now I'm just dicing up some bell pepper. 1 red, 1 yellow, 1 green. And then the other ingredients are, we just have like 1 pound of chicken tenders. I'm just gonna dice them up, and then we have it's like 3/4 of a pound of andouille sausage that we got from HEB.
Also, I'm pretty hungry, so I'm gonna have a little snack. I got some Bolthouse Farms Classic Ranch. Are we annoyed that they changed the formula and now it's 50 calories and a smaller bottle? I thought the bottles were the same size, but somebody pointed it out and I was like, no, I think they are. I compared and they are not. This is definitely smaller. It went from 14 ounces to 12. And then I'm trying to have some carrots with that and a sparkling water. Let me put this towel under the cutting board. Everyone always tells us to do this because our cutting board moves.
Oh.
And it's like a...
Yeah, no, it is. It's true.
It's like a thing.
It'll hold it.
See if that is better. Wow. Amazing.
Okay, don't be weirded out by the chicken being on there. I was the first time. I don't know, it just seems wrong. Mm-hmm. It's not though, it's fine.
It's not wrong. Yep, you're gonna cook it all and it's gonna be super safe.
Just a little olive oil, just a little drizzle. Kind of coat everything a little bit. It might be a bit much.
It's fine. Healthy for you.
And then, with anything Cajun, you gotta get Tony's Estuaries. And just season to your liking. Just be careful. You can overdo it with this stuff because it is a little salty.
Yeah, it can get salty fast.
I do all that on there, on the sausage and the veggies. And then, let's see if we have blackened seasoning.
So good.
If they don't have that in your store, we've ordered this on Amazon too, so.
Yeah, Paul Prudhomme is the brand. At our grocery store, it's on like the bottom shelf usually in the seasoning area. So check the bottom shelf for sure. We always use their poultry. Y'all see this one on my channel all the time, Poultry Magic. And then we also have Seafood Magic. I mean, we got them all. They're delicious.
And even though it says black and red fish, you can do it on chicken. It's really good on there.
Yeah, very good.
Like tilapia, any kind of fish really is really good on there.
Oh yeah, we haven't done tilapia in a while. That's really good.
Okay, and then this goes in for 15 minutes?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, we are doing 2 of the Ben's Jasmine Rices. Just put those in the microwave per usual. And then you're gonna mix that once it's warm with crushed tomatoes. You can add more seasoning if you want. I don't really think it needs it because Tony's is so fire, but up to you. Mix that together and then you just pour it over the top of the sheet pan.
Yep, and that's a 15-ounce can of the
yeah.
crushed tomatoes.
Good job, Morgan. You're better at this than I am. There we go.
All right, so that's 15 minutes with those, and then you literally just take that rice and tomato mixture and just kind of go over the top.
Then at the end, we'll just mix it all together when it's perfection. Such an easy recipe and very little dishes.
Yeah,
I mean, you have to use a bowl and a cutting board and a knife, and that's pretty much it.
And look, it's Monday. We're not trying to make a big mess.
Right.
Just clean the house after the weekend.
Yep, we ain't trying to do that on a Monday.
Nobody wants a mess on a Monday. For like 7 to 8 minutes, you should be ready to go.
Alrighty. Chef Momo. Chef Momo's Creole Kitchen.
That's right, don't forget it.
The reveal.
The reveal.
Da 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 da. Ooh! She's steamy. Heck yeah. And the rice gets just a little bit crisp.
Yep.
And it's just perfection.
Yeah, and then you just kind of toss it all around, really. Or throw it all over the oven if you want to, too.
No one saw it. It was out of camera, but you outed yourself.
And this is really good and easy.
Yeah. I feel like someone's going to be like, that is not authentic jambalaya. And to that, I have to say,
Yeah, and to that I would say deal with it. It's on your channel.
ooh, you heard it from Chef Mo. He also taught me today that it's Lafayette, not Lafayette.
That's right.
I still feel like Lafayette. It's just what I grew up with, you know?
I think there's like a Lafayette, Indiana, maybe?
I wonder how they
somewhere.
say it. If you're from Indiana, tell us how you say Indiana's Lafayette.
And you could call that Lafayette, but in Louisiana it's Lafayette.
In Louisiana, it's Lafayette.
Okay. And it's ready to play. And this has a lot of protein in it, too.
Yeah, it does. The last time we made it, we added shrimp. But I just didn't want to buy shrimp this time because groceries be expensive lately.
Inflation's going in right now.
Yeah. I'll probably do a little less than that.
Oh, okay.
Perfect.
There we go.
Thank you so much, baby, for cooking. Looks amazing. So also today on Instagram, I shared my August goals. So I'll post those here so you can see them. But one of them was 100 ounces of water, and I know I'm behind. So I'm going to have this big old glass with dinner. All right, y'all, I'm going to bed, but this is the book. This is the third in a trilogy by Holly Jackson. It's called As Good as Dead. As you can see, the first one is The Good Girl's Guide to Murder. There's 3 of them. It's basically it starts when she's in high school. She's doing her senior project on a murder that was in her hometown. And the story just evolves from there. So it's like mystery, mostly mystery, a little bit of thriller, a little bit of romance, of course. But yeah, I'm reading this one. I got about 5 chapters. See where my bookmark is right there. About 5 chapters in tonight. And then when I finish this, I think I'm going to move on to November 9th by Colleen Hoover. But yeah, reading. I think I'm done for tonight, actually reading, and I'm about to go to bed.